Welcome to our coffee factory. Today, I'll guide you through every fascinating step of how coffee goes from
Tags match the manifest. Quality is certified.
Okay, signal the forklift operator. The aroma on this batch is excellent. I agree.
Documenting the moisture level now.
Master blenders combine beans from different origins to create balanced flavors: fruity, nutty, chocolatey, or bold.
Roasting is where the magic happens, unlocking hundreds of complex aromas and flavors.
We never compromise on quality.
The aroma on this batch is exceptionally vibrant.
I agree. The color grading is also consistent.
Only perfect products move forward.
Number 3 is quite balanced.
Yes, exceptionally clean finish.
And that's how coffee goes from bean to cup, crafted with precision, passion, and care. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey.
And that's how coffee is made. Chain, free, from start to finish.